Alright, so we've gotten this much done, and now we're going to go ahead and do the curtain wall. So if we take a look, we've got this curtain wall here that kind of wraps around, like this is the sea, right? In the sea. So we need to put this curtain wall in and adjust these mullions a certain amount, so that's going to take a bit of time. So if I go back to my 3D here, really we want to be in our east view, so I'm going to go to my east elevation, so east elevation, and eventually what we're going to do is clip the curtain wall to be the same as that, but first we have to put it in. So let's go to our site plan, and that curtain wall runs along the top of that retaining wall that we put in. So we'll have to adjust it, but we're just going to go ahead and start with it here on level 1 or site. So if we go to architecture and the wall pull down, we can go to wall architectural, and in the type selector down at the bottom is storefront. Okay, and storefront allows us to draw a curtain wall. So I'm just going to come in and let's take this height up to the roof. Okay, so we're going to go from level 1 up to roof, so all the way up to the top. Then I'm just going to come in and pick a point here and draw to the edge of where that curtain wall is, which is about right here. You can see where it cuts across right there. So I'll left click, and then I'll go to my 3D view and see what we've got. And you'll notice that the curtain wall has actually cut away the retaining wall, which is okay. We'll lift it up. So what we need to do is go in and lift that curtain wall up to the top of the retaining wall. So the best place to do that is in the east elevation. So I'll go to my east elevation. Let's go to wireframe. And I'm going to pick the outside of the curtain wall. The curtain wall is a system of elements. And in order to do the entire wall, you need to pick the curtain wall storefront. So I'm going to left click. And I should get some little blue stretchy arrows, and I can pull that guy up above the retaining wall. And then if I go in and pull it back down onto the retaining wall, it's going to want to sort of lock or find that retaining wall, right? So once I do that, let's take a look at it in 3D. So now we've got that guy in there. But what we need to do is we need to adjust some of these mullions. So when we come back, we'll actually clip the wall and adjust the mullions.